Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can watch random lives on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure to update it to the latest version available. Now, swipe right on your timeline page and scroll to the live section. In order to watch random lives, you would need to go live for a second. So, tap on the shutter button, tap on share icon, and send it to anyone like your friend. After sending it, cancel the live. Go to the chat box, and you can see that there is a link named as View More. Tap on it, and then select See All Embed in order to watch other people's lives. And that's how you can watch random lives on Instagram. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.